It's been 17 years since the original Toyota Innova was launched, and it's been a runaway success ever since then. And now it's been completely reinvented and reimagined, as you can see. Now this is the all-new Toyota Innova HyCross, and as you can see, it's a stark contrast from the Innova of old. The Innova has now undergone a complete transformation. Gone are the MPV dimensions, and now it is a proper crossover. The raised bonnet line and the massive grille make sure it gets tremendous presence. The automatic LED headlights are very similar to what you see in the Fortuner. The best part is that Toyota haven't gone overboard with chrome. There is a good mix of chrome, black and silver inserts. The sides get very muscular SUV-ish profile with the standard plastic cladding that runs across from the front to the back. The Innova HyCross gets 18-inch wheels, which look a little underwhelming considering the dimensions of the car. But the alloy wheel design itself looks very good. Moving to the rear, it looks sporty with the large wraparound tail lamps and the extended spoiler. Towards the bottom, you get the bash plate finished in silver with a chrome outline above it. Overall, Toyota have done a fantastic job with the design, and it's sure to be loved by all. Toyota have carried over the premium looks on the insides too. The dashboard gets a horizontal layout, and the soft touch material gives it a very premium feel. The infotainment system layout also looks brilliant and has been designed very smartly. The 10.1-inch screen sits right on top, with the gear selector also sitting pretty much on the dash, which frees up a lot of space. The seats feel fantastic, and the chestnut quilted leather just give a very rich feeling to the interiors. The middle row gets a choice of captain or bench seats. The captain seats also get a segment first powered ottoman function, which recline at the touch of a button, and also get footrests for a completely relaxing position. What adds to the comfort factor is the flat floor, which makes it extremely practical, especially in the bench seat version. Toyota says the last row can accommodate 3 people, considering it will be available in 7 and 8-seat variants. But the comfort is something we will find out during the review. The Innova HyCross is loaded with features and comes with ventilated seats, 10.1-inch infotainment unit with a 9-speaker JBL audio system, multi-zone air conditioning, panoramic sunroof, powered tailgate and more. On the safety front, the Innova HyCross gets Toyota's safety sense. So you get ADAS features like radar cruise control, lane trace assist, auto high beam and more. Apart from the ADAS, the HyCross also gets 6 airbags, vehicle stability control, ABS with EBD and disc brakes at the rear. On the engine front, the Innova HyCross will only get 2 engine options, with both being petrol and no manual gearbox on offer. The first option is a 2-litre 4-cylinder engine making 172 bhp, which is mated to a CVT transmission. The second option is the 5th generation strong hybrid system, which is linked to the 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine and makes a combined power of 184 bhp and comes with the direct shift CVT gearbox. The hybrid also promises a sub 10-second 0 to 100 km/h time and a staggering fuel efficiency of 21.1 km per litre. Reason for the excellent fuel efficiency and performance is also due to the fact that the new HyCross is now 200 kgs lighter than the previous generation Innova, thanks to the adoption of a monocoque chassis. The Innova HyCross is also front wheel drive now, which would also change the driving dynamics completely. Bookings for the Innova HyCross have started as we speak, with prices coming out in January 2023. We expect prices to start around 20 lakhs for the base variant and go on to about 30 lakhs for the top-end hybrid variant. Do let us know what you think about the Innova HyCross and make sure you like, share and subscribe to the CarWale channel.